guys, it's me Bailey and me Levi, and it's winter outside and it's really cold and birds are struggling to find food. So we thought we'll make something. Want to try this? Let's get on! These are the items you'll need. Some sticks from the garden. Some string. This is really heavy. Bird seeds. And finally lard, which is a bit like butter. The first step is to get your bird seeds and pour them into a large mixing bowl like Levi's doing. What's next, Bailey? You pour the lard into the mixing bowl. Okay. We've cut the lard into cubes, so it's easier to mix. Oops. Then you start to mix the bird seed and the lard together. Boom. Well, we're going to use our hands. Make sure your sleeves are rolled up. If you're doing it with your hands get very messy. Then you get a big handful of the mixture and then squeeze it all around the stick. Make sure you don't cover that. Make sure it's not on the end, because that's where we're going to tie the string. How do we stick this? Like that. After you've finished, it should look something like this. Then you get some string and tie it on to the ends of your stick. I think you need the adult. You can ask an adult for some help. The last step is to hang it up in a tree nearby, and while the birds eat it, you can watch them as they come and eat it. Yum yum! Thank you for watching our video, and I know the birds will love the feeders we made them. And please like if you haven't liked already, and please watch some of our other videos, and remember, don't be bored, try this!